Today is Wednesday, the 48th day of the Omer. We're getting very, very close to Shavuot. And one of the most important aspects of the holiday of Shavuot is the unity of Am Yisrael, the unity of the Jewish people. The idea is when the Jewish people camped next to Mount Sinai, it says Vayichan, and he camped, in singular, not in plural. And Rashi says, Ke'ish echad belev echad, like one person with one heart. But there is so much to that kind of concept of unity in the Torah. We remember that Hillel, when he was approached by that person who wanted to convert, he told him, whatever you wouldn't want done to you, don't do to others. But actually Rabbi Akiva says, Ve'ahavta l'reacha kamocha, that you shall love your fellow as yourself. Zeklal gadol b'Torah. This is a great principle of the Torah. And when you love another person just as you love yourself, then definitely that is unity in Am Yisrael. And the unity of the Jewish people is a natural sense that we have within us. We could have Jewish people living in any part of the world. It could be in France or Russia or Morocco or Uzbekistan or Brazil or wherever they are. But to all have a sense that we're all part of the same family. And what unites us is our Holy Torah also. Because the Torah is something that unites all of Am Yisrael. Not just from generation to generation, but also within each generation. This is what unites us. And that's why the word Israel, according to our sages, is Yesh Shishim Ribo Otiyot Torah. There are 600,000 letters in the Torah. It's a concept that each one of Am Yisrael, which were 600,000 males that went out from Egypt, each of us has a portion in the Torah. So if you wish, like as we come out together, we are all like part of this giant puzzle, which is the actual Torah, with each of us having his part in the Torah. So the holiday of Shavuot is a holiday that reminds us also of the importance of unity amongst us. It's been suggested also as we get closer to the holiday of Shavuot, to each of us make an effort to be together and unite with our fellow Jews in the sense of if there's any conflict, any disagreement, anything that you're not getting along with somebody, actively seek to make peace, to unite, to bring togetherness and unity amongst us, because the more we have that unity amongst us, the more we'll merit many blessings, and most importantly, the blessings of the Torah. Because Achdut, unity, and Torah go hand in hand. So that's one of the messages associated with this coming up holiday, and I wish everyone a Chag Shavuot Sameach. And I was just speaking to a friend just now, and we were talking about the great gift of the Torah. And when I told this person, I said, Torah is the light of life. The Pasuk says, Kiner mitzvah veTorah or. If a mitzvah is like a candle, and Torah is light. And the more we connect with the Torah, the more we bringing light into our lives. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.